Hey guys, today's my topic is types of clouds. We will see what is the types of clouds. First is the public cloud. Public clouds, these are owned and operated by third parties. Public clouds, system and services easily accessible to all public. Low cost accessible. It means pay as you go model. For example, Google, Amazon, Microsoft provide through internet. Then we will see advantages of cloud. It is flexibility, availability, then scalability. Then we will see disadvantages of public cloud. First is a low secure, less customizable. Then we will see all users, number of users access mail, services, storage, application services through the public cloud. Then we will see private cloud. In this private cloud, built exclusively for single enterprise. It makes system and services accessible only within organization. Private cloud managed by third party also. Microsoft, VMware, Ubuntu access private clouds. Advantages of private cloud: highly secure, more control, cost and energy efficient, reliable. Disadvantages are the price highly, scalability limited. Then we will see only access companies employ, not another. Then we will see hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is the combination of public and private cloud. Non-critical activity performed by public cloud, critical activity performed by private cloud. Advantages is the flexibility, scalability, security, low cost. Disadvantages are the network issues, security, compliance. Then we will see public cloud accesses company employee and another also. Please share, like and subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.